How to link PayPal account to Upwork. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to link your PayPal account to Upwork. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Upwork, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials, and after that all you have to do is just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner in your account, and from there just simply click on account settings from the menu over here. And now at the left hand side menu screen you will be able to see settings. When you scroll down under the user settings option, you will be able to see the option called get paid. Just simply tap on it, and over here you have the different payment method that you can attach to your Upwork account. So in order to add PayPal as your payment method, just simply click on add a method, and over here when you will see that there is PayPal available with Upwork, so just simply click on setup. Now you have to enter your email address and also the password in order to connect your PayPal account successfully with your Upwork account. So just simply enter your so over here you have to enter your Upwork account password. So just enter the password and click on continue, and now Upwork will send you an SMS code in order to authorize your account so that they can verify whether it is you or someone else. Just simply click on send, and now just enter the verification code that you have received on your phone number and click on verify. And now just simply click on continue in order to get redirected to the PayPal account. Click on continue and just log into your PayPal account from here, and click on agree and connect, so that your Upwork account and PayPal account should be connected quite successfully. Just simply click on it. Now the connection has been started and your account has been verified, and now you are redirected to your Upwork profile back again. And now you can edit the schedule, or you can make changes in this particular area, and click on save change. And now as you can see that your PayPal account has been added as a payment method in your Upwork account. So this is basically how simple it is to connect PayPal account to Upwork. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.